Imagine making a life-changing decision in the blink of an eye, without overthinking, analyzing, or second-guessing. What if I told you that your snap judgments could be as accurate as hours of careful deliberation? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in Blink, Malcolm Gladwell reveals the science behind rapid decision-making and why sometimes our first instinct is the best one. Welcome to Audiobook Zone BD, where we break down powerful self-development books to help you grow smarter. Every day, let's dive into Blink and discover the power of thinking without thinking. Key takeaways from Blink. The power of thin slicing. Thin slicing is the brain's ability to process a small amount of information in seconds and make surprisingly accurate judgments. Gladwell shares the story of an ancient Greek statue that experts instantly identified as fake, even though scientific tests suggested otherwise. This instinctive knowledge is what makes thin slicing so powerful. The unconscious mind at work. Our subconscious mind absorbs vast amounts of data and can recognize patterns faster than we realize. For example, seasoned firefighters can predict when a building is about to collapse, not because they consciously analyze every detail, but because their experience allows their intuition to kick in. When snap judgments go wrong, while quick thinking is powerful, it's not foolproof. Biases and prejudices can cloud our judgment. Gladwell highlights cases like racial profiling and poor hiring decisions, where unconscious bias led to major mistakes. Learning to refine our intuition and recognizing our biases is crucial for making better decisions. Training your gut instinct. The good news? You can train your intuition to be more accurate. The key is experience, exposure, and awareness. The more you practice a skill, the better your brain becomes at recognizing patterns and making smarter snap decisions. If you found this summary valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful book summaries. Which book should we cover next? Comment below and let us know. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next episode of Audiobook Zone BD.